All right, let's go over the 205 course syllabus. And again, this is the syllabus for the 2020 intersession 4-week course, but it's very similar to the rest of the courses. So first of all, up here we have right out of the catalog, you have your prerequisite. That is necessary. You have my name, Roger Morissette. I go by Dr. M. My email is rmorissette@palomar. 2 R's, 2 S's, 2 T's. That's the main way we communicate. No in-person office hours. All communication will be done by email. I'm not going to Zoom any office hours or anything like that. We communicate via email, get our work done. There is no real book for the course. This is the book I used to use. If you'd like to purchase any of these editions, these books are all over the place. Should be able to get a used copy for 25 bucks, but I no longer require the book since everything is embedded in the course now. Here's the link to the URL. Again, it's sitting there on your Canvas page, but if you need it right here, this is the 4-week course, the special summer session. So if this is now a different course you're using this orientation for, this would change. Okay. The rest of the stuff is the stuff we have to put in to abide by state regulations, what the course is all about, learning outcomes, stuff like that. Let's get to the important stuff. Grading. Well, grading is the most important stuff. So the exams. We have 3 exams. They're all 35 questions, multiple choice questions. You'll have 2 hours to take the exams. Each exam is on a different set of 5 lectures. So the final exam is not cumulative. It's just the last 5 lectures. It's worth 120 points. So when I post the grades, I'll post it in a classic out of 100% value, so you can understand if you got an 80 or 90 on the test. But test is actually out of 120 points, so there'll be a second score posted right next to that on the grade sheet. I'll show you that when we get to the grade sheet. No makeup exams, no early exams. Sorry, too many people can't do it, and especially in this crazy crisis, we can't get stuff to the tutoring center. It's difficult to do anything. Okay, so please don't ask for special consideration. If you can't make the dates of the exams, take somebody else's course. Okay. Homework is right here. We'll go over this separately. There are 15 5-point homework assignments that you're supposed to do on a regular basis. All the dates will be posted in the homework section. I'll go over that in more detail when we get to the homework section of this orientation. There are computer assignments. There are 3, and they require the use of Excel and software called SPSS. SPSS used to be available in all our computer labs, but now they're not accessible. IBM, who owns SPSS, has offered to give free versions of it out, at least through the end of June, the way I understand it. So here's the link to that. This may be updated in future semesters with more perhaps better, more correct information. But right now, for this summer 4-week session, we should be able to handle using SPSS via this means. There is some extra credit on every examination, and there's an extra credit assignment you'll do at the end of hearing this orientation. But that's it for grading, and it falls real simple. 90% gets an A, 80% a B, 70% a C. I do not bump anyone just for the sake of bumping. Okay, so usually I get emails at the end of the semester, someone who failed the final exam and wants me to bump them up so they get a passing grade. Give me a break, okay? I mean, if you didn't earn a C, I'm not giving you a C, okay? It's that simple. All right, so straight math, statistics, if you will, is what it takes to pass the course. Here's how you survive. Schedule your course time as if it is a regular day or night course. Read all the lecture notes multiple times. The lecture notes are short. They're usually only 5 or 6 pages. Sometimes with images, they get up over 10 pages. Okay, but they're meant to be read multiple times. They take you step by step through every problem you're going to do. Then do that ahead of time. Do the homework problems, and then do the workbook problems. We'll talk about those a little later. And then focus. When you're ready, take the exams. Do the best you can do. All right? That's about all I have to say about the syllabus.